How to hide photos on Instagram without deleting them. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide photos on Instagram without deleting them. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Insta. After you open it up, you can head over to your profile and there you should find the photos that you want to hide but not delete. So you can head over to any one of them, and after you head over to any one of them, simply tap on the three dots on the top right of the post or the photo. After you tap on it, you can simply scroll down and there you should find an option called archive. Tap on archive, and after you tap on archive, the post or photo will no longer be there. Now you haven't actually deleted it, it's just stored on your archive. To find that photo, you can tap on the three lines on the top right, and simply there you will see how you use your Instagram. Simply tap on archive, you should see your story archive. Tap on that and head over to post archive. Now there you will see the photo that you have just archived. So that is how you hide photos on Instagram without deleting them, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and do not forget to subscribe to App Hacks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.